my WM diecast truck here we have? It's a side loader truck. ASL automatic side loader. It's a heel Python. It's type of brand. The heel is the type of truck brand type of thing it is. It's known as a Python, which is the type of arm. That's how the shape of the truck is. Just in case anyone was wondering, I was really wondering before. So, if anyone wants to see more of this truck, please comment below. If the comments are there, they're probably gonna be turned off. But please comment below if you want to see more of this truck. Want to see more? Just comment below.
Look at those have the mold in them.
So that bin I just put in was the trash bin. This is the recycling bin now.
I need to go see her tomorrow. Remind me about her.
See who?
What's her name? Next door.
Oh God.
So yeah,
Terrible, but she's oh. She's miserable.
those are the die-cast trucks.
I need to go visit her.
She's talking all about how hot it is. But what if he dies?
I know.
Dad isn't here, is he? You don't know anything about it, do you?
Nope.
It's taking me a while to get this thing out of the bin. So here's the trash.
They're supposed to wear masks. They can wear masks. They got that thing over there.
Stupid thing isn't coming out now.
They probably still do.
A movies.
This is this truck. So I've had this truck for I just ordered it. I've already gotten like millions of posts of it on my Instagram. Enjoying the fun while it lasts. While the truck even is here, because it's probably gonna break. I will.
Who is he? Crazy man?
Crazy man.
Probably will order more at some point, but cost a lot. It's hard to find the trucks too.
Wow.
Nice. Yes. You guys excited? I might want to get to the game early that day. Because we need to come home earlier anyway.
I already came out.
I want to see if I can get autographs. I don't know if I'm still doing it.
Where were you planning to get autographs?
Remember when we went to the game, so we used to go early?
Oh yes, I do remember that.
Offense going to see that ball's going to hit the wall. He's going to start to pull away from it so you can get that one hop and keep him off third base. So now Chase Cal Quantrill from this one. No out and
It's tied now.
for the Red Sox in a 3-3 game in the 7th.
Good night. He loves to talk to you.
He doesn't talk to anyone.
He doesn't
'Cause he's
talk
a
to
bull.
all of them.
The fiercely reimagined Nissan Rogue. With a low $199 per month lease or get 0% financing for 36 months on the 2021 Rogue. Get to Nissan, proud partner of the Boston Red Sox. Through the years, you guide and protect every step along the way.
It's a diecast truck.
What we do for them, Amiga is proud to do for you. Earning your trust and delivering peace of mind. With every call, every claim, we're an insurance company that meets the highest standards. Yours. Experience Amiga. Auto, home, and life insurance. This Labor Day, it's the divisional dummy throw. Sox fight for their playoff hopes in their final season series showdown versus Tampa Bay. Rays Red Sox. The series begins Monday at noon on NESN. This marquee matchup is presented by Dunkin'. It's Chevy Truck Month, and it's time to add the perfect accessories to your new Chevy. Make it bolder. Make it work harder. Make it your own. Find new possibilities. Find new roads.
Well, finally, we're gonna get a different view of the truck. A closer view.
Red Sox baseball on SNL presented by Amiga Insurance. Experience Amiga Auto, Home, and Life Insurance. Lexus and the Lexus Strikeout Hunger Program. Infinite Window World, the official replacement windows of the Boston Red Sox.
Now we're in the front
Game
of
Red
the
Sox
truck.
threatening to head in front in the bottom of the seventh with nobody out. And runners at second and third, and it's time for a change. This pitching change presented by Valvoline Instant Oil Change. Service you
Just
can
testing
experts you can trust. It's Trevor
toy
Stephan
truck.
who comes in out of the pen.
See how it's good.
Fastball slider guy throws a changeup, not very often. No reason to fill the front with him.
You know, just
No pitch.
seeing how he uses truck.
Cleveland. Santana's at third. Araújo's at second, and Kyle Schwarber the batter. And he goes first pitch swinging against the heat. Trying to ambush 96 away. Schwarber forward to lead off the bottom of the first. And they send struck out and grounded towards second. Looking to drive something right now, something deep. Oh, one pitch. Something in two. Rare chase right there from Schwarber.
Now we're gonna see the back view of the truck.
Doesn't happen very often. He sees Quantrill departing. I think he's ordered off now a few times. Quantrill nervously pacing here in the seventh. Step on a guy who just made his major league debut back in the spring earlier this season. His 0-2. Schwarber pulls it into right center field, and he's safe. And it'll go all the way to the wall.
Nice.
Schwarber brings him
Nice, nice, nice.
That's Cal Quintel.
Who?
Cal.
Schwarber.
Oh, it was Kyle Schwarber. I thought it was Cal Quintel. Quantel.
This is his spot. Catcher wants that up in the zone, but it just doesn't quite get there. Stays around the belt buckle.
He did a good job.
By Schwarber, driving it the other way, playing something deep in the outfield with 2 runners in scoring position, knocks them both in. Oh, and Schwarber's fired up, just like Araújo was. It's another 2-strike hit, too, for Schwarber. He had one yesterday. He got into a 2-strike count, and he just flipped his hands, circled the ball into left. Loved it. And now he's with 2 strikes.
That was wonderful.
Now back
And
to
here's
the
his old cigar.
There's that never say die attitude. I don't care what count they're in, they're still trying to get a pitch to drive.
hate this. No.
You know, they change teams so fast. We see so many teams and I'm getting them mixed up now. And I'm getting the people in Cleveland. I think they should be on the Red Sox.
Trying to win another one. Guys are stepping up. I mean, there's no other choice really. I mean, really, you got to go out there and do the job.